Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to the CAD CAM library. In this video we will design this simple diamond ring by using the simple commands. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and follow the complete course of SolidWorks in CAD CAM library. So now let's start. Now first of all we will design the diamond of the ring. So select the top plane, go to sketch and select the polygon and make sure to make it 16 sided polygon. Draw from center, go to the smart dimension and adjust the dimension up to 6 mm. Now go to the feature, extruded boss. I'll make it in reverse direction and make it 4.3. Now the angle will be up to 49. Now it will be like that. Click OK. Now select this top face, go to the sketch and click here convert entities. Now you can see it is converted. Now go to the feature, extruded boss base and extrude it up to 0.25. Click OK. Now again select this face, sketch and select here convert entities. Again go to the features, extruded boss base. Now extrude it up to 1.5 and select the angle, make it 40 mm. So click OK. Now you can see. Now select this face, sketch, select the line command and draw a line from that point to this point. Exit from line, select this line and make it construction geometry. Now exit from the sketch, again select this face, sketch, again select the line command and draw a line from this point. Select the line command and draw a line from this point to this point. Exit from line. Now select this line and make it construction geometry. Now again exit from the sketch. Now select this face, go to the sketch. Now select the center line and connect both of these two lines by using center line. Exit from it, exit from the sketch. Now go to the reference geometry. Here is plane and now select this line as a reference and this line as a second reference. Now you can see plane is created. Click OK. Now select this plane, go to the sketch and select all of these three lines and click here convert entities. Now you can see it is converted. Go to the feature and click here extruded cut. Now you can see and make it in other direction. Click OK. Now I'll make it in white plane. Now you can see the diamond shape is almost ready. So I'll hide this plane. Now I'll select the front plane, control and right plane. To create an axis, go to the axis, click OK. Now you can see axis is created. Now select this shape. We want to create this shape all over this diamond. So go to the circular pattern and here select that axis. Around that we want to create that shape. Click here and make it in 8 numbers. So click OK. Now you can see our diamond shape is almost complete. So I'll hide this. Now we'll select the top plane, sketch and select the circle command and draw a circle here. smart dimension, adjust it up to 6 mm. Now feature, and here is extruded cut. Now select here mid plane and flip side to cut and click OK. Now you can see it's look better. Now we will assign some color, so go to the appearance and here go to the organic, click here, and gemstones, click here. Now here diamond, click here and drag it to here. Now you can see it's look like a diamond. So now I'll save this desktop and create a new folder. And save it as a diamond. Save. Now we will design the ring, so select the front plane, go to sketch and select a circle command, draw a circle here and adjust the dimension up to 15.3. so now click here offset entities and select here 1.8 offset and click here, make it outside offset, click OK. Now go to the feature and extruded boss base. Now I'll extrude it up to 2.25 and make it here mid plane, click OK. Now select fillet and keep it 0.5. Now select this inside and outside, click OK. Now you can see, and I'll select here plain white. Now we will insert the diamond, so we'll go to the insert and here is a part, click here. Now select this diamond, open and drag it here. Yes. Now select the front plane, go to sketch, normalize it. Now I'll select the center line and draw a center line from origin up to here and to that point. Exit from line, smart dimension and adjust the dimension of this line up to 0.5. Now click OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now we will move this diamond, so we'll go to the insert, features, and here is the move and copy. Select this diamond that you want to move and select the point. I want to move that point up to here. Now you can see it is moved from this point to this point. Click OK. Now you can see it is moved. Now we'll hide this ring, so go here and fillet, click here and select here hide. Now you can see it is hiding. So now select the front plane, go to the sketch, normalize it, and now I'll assign the color of diamond here. Now you can see it's look better. Now I'll select the line command and draw a line from here to that point. up to here. Now go to the smart dimension and adjust this line up to 2.5 mm, and the distance from this center line to this line is up to 0.7. Now the angle between this line and this line is up to 110. Now this line dimension is up to 0.5, and here the distance from this line to this point is, I'll make it in opposite direction, so I'll add minus 0.14. Now you can see it is in other direction, so click OK, and now select the center line and draw a center line here. Now go to the feature and select here revolve boss base. Now you can see it is revolved, so click OK. Now you can see. Now we'll show the ring, so select here and click here and click here show. Now you can see the ring is shown. Now we will hide that diamond. Now select that sketch of revolve and go to the feature, and here is the revolve cut. Select here. Now select here auto select, and now select this body. Actually we want to remove the part of the ring under that diamond, so click OK. Now select here selected bodies and select here first body, and we want to remove this, so we'll select the first body, click OK. Now you can see it is removed. Now we'll show the diamond, click here show. Now you can see. Now I'll hide that center line as well. Now we want to remove this extra part, so we will go step above and select the front plane, sketch, and select any one of the inner circle. Select this circle and click here convert entities. Now go to the feature and select here extruded cut, and from here select the mid plane and we'll extrude it to cut that part. Click OK. Now you can see it is removed. I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial. So if you did not subscribe the channel till now, so subscribe the channel and follow the complete course of SolidWorks in the CAD CAM library.